Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, here we'll be working on a Fiat 500 guys, and if you need to remove or replace the steering wheel controls for the radio that are on the back side of the steering wheel, stay with us guys and we'll explain what needs to be done to do that. Now, quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. On this Fiat guys specifically, we'll probably have 300 to 400 videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these free videos. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, switches, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below. We will share all that for you guys and where we get our parts from. First step will be guys, we need to disconnect the car battery on your Fiat. Now, we'll need to remove the airbag, steering wheel airbag. Stay with us guys. If you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, I wouldn't recommend to do that because, okay, things like that can kill you guys, and be extremely careful. So consider this entertaining, not a how-to video. What we do, we open the hood, we disconnect our car battery. Now, if you do not disconnect your car battery and reconnect it the correct way, you can burn fuses or even the engine computer. We've done that in the past guys, so terrible, yeah. So, if you want to see how to properly disconnect your car battery, we have the video guys on the channel, and we'll share it in the description of the video below for your convenience as well. So please check it out guys. Once we do that, okay, we are ready to continue. You can see this is the Fiat guys. Car battery has been disconnected, wait 1 hour, and then you can continue guys with removing the airbag, steering wheel airbag. This is guys the airbag right here. Now, how you guys remove the steering wheel airbag? Now, I recommend guys to watch the whole video. Many of you probably know that, that's why we didn't include it. But if you don't know how to remove the steering wheel airbag, we have it on the channel. It's called steering wheel airbag removal on Fiat 500. We'll have the link in the description of the video below as well. So please check it out guys. This is the airbag right there. We removed it, and after that we can continue. Now, the switches I'm talking about, okay, this switch right here, you can see, and then we have one switch on this side. Once you guys remove the airbag, okay, once you remove it, we can continue with the next step. And let me show you, okay, what we will be doing now guys. So I'm going to go ahead, okay, grab a panel remover tool, and what we are going to do now here guys, okay, we need to pull those switches first. The one on the front, they need to come out first. Okay, this one comes out, you can see. Now we need to disconnect that wire here guys. There is one little wire that we need to disconnect. Press in, pull it out, okay. This is for the switch. Now just demonstrate on one side guys. There is no need to waste your time on two sides. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, let me see which tool it's now. We need to get a Torx guys. Okay, this is, okay, let me focus quick. Here I'm trying to focus. This is guys Torx 15. Started looking having a little bit hard time today focusing with the camera. So let me see what the deal is. So this is it guys. Okay, this is the tool. Okay, a little bit still having hard time to focus. It's too little guys, and light is too bright. So it's a star looking bit guys. You can see that's what the thing looks like there. So we need to go ahead, okay, and remove that screw. So go ahead, remove it all the way guys. Okay, the screw comes out, that's what it looks like. Now I'll go ahead, grab the switch now on the other side. Let me turn the steering wheel so you can probably see it from right here. Okay, and get the panel removal tool. Okay, let me just get my head in here and then I can move out. And we need to go ahead and remove it guys, okay. It has a couple clips, pull those out, get the wire out of the way. And this is guys, okay, this is guys the switch. Now, if you guys need to remove the other one, exactly the same way, you need to remove that switch. After that, you have to remove the screw, and this is, guys, the radio control switch for on your Fiat, guys, 500 on the steering wheel. So this is it, guys, not too complicated. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you. If you want to see the airbag removal video, it's on the channel, check it out, very important. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.